Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this house in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're just doing the fence today. We're just doing a sodium percarbonate cleaning because in 2022, Google snapped a picture and this was like bone white. So in 2 years, it's grayed out quite a bit. So there's not hardly any mold, so we're not worried about mold or like lichen or anything on the surfaces, which is so nice. Makes it very easy. We're going to use the sodium percarbonate, which is like an oxygenated bleach, to clean it, and then we're going to follow up and rebalance the high pH of the wood with an acid to rebalance the wood. And if they were going to clean, or if they were going to stain it, that would be the best time to stain it. I don't think so. I think this is mostly just make it look good type deal. If it had been very bad, we'd have probably done a bleach wash on it, but bleach is very damaging to the wood, so I really don't want to risk that on a fence that is really new. If the fence was old and junky, I may, look at a bleach wash because you really can't damage it too much more. But since this is a fairly decently new fence, a very nice area, we're going to do it the safer way. I'm going to use very low pressure, probably about 500 psi, maybe 800 max psi, because that chemical is going to do all the work that he's spraying, which is a percarbonate. And to make it quicker, instead of pump up, we use same thing we use to stain. We run stain through that. I'll run acid through that. I'll run percarb through that. I think $100 something, and an extra thing of line so we can get to places. And that thing has been just a godsend. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Getting this fence looking good for the new year. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Now this is an interesting. This is after an acid treatment. This is before the acid treatment. It's been clean, but it has not been balanced and has not had an acid treatment. Acid treatment brightens it, rebalances the wood, and when this dries, it's going to look beautiful.